Back here at Farmhouse Flip, a lot has gone on and I haven't been doing videos. We've all had colds, we had the holidays. We kind of took a break from I guess doing the videos, but we're back at it, feeling a little better. We got a lot done recently. I'll try to keep you all updated. Got the snow fences in place. There's our turkey we got to take down and get ready for Christmas. I got a couple snow fences over here because we're probably going to get snowed in when the north winds blow across the driveway here. We got, let's see, 24 tons of gravel delivered from Michelle's friend. Leveled out the driveway with the four-wheeler and the plow. I should have got a video of that. We got some tarps on the chicken coop. I'll show you that later. We got a ton of wood split. I got another truckload to unload now. Put these pavers in here so we don't have to step in mud anymore after you get off the deck. That was horrible. And with snow and ice coming, I figured it'd be nice. The driveway turned out nice, nice and level. No more grass and mud. Took a lot, 24 tons. Doing a little bit of shooting down there. There's our targets. It's super windy today, so I think brother-in-law took some of the targets. We got some filter. We've been filling in some holes down there. Big quarter jump the four-wheelers up there. I'll show you the new toy in the garage later. We'll go over the garage and the coop. I think that's it for right out here. I'm gonna go in. It's super windy. I don't think we've done any. I still gotta fix that dryer. I don't know if we've done too much in this area. We still got to get that other dryer in place. We got a quarter of a cow, so we got our deep freezes full. I don't know if you guys have seen this coat rack we put in for all the gloves and hats and stuff. This is still a work in progress here in the kitchen. I just think Michelle got some decorations up. I'm not sure. I don't know if the old fridge was driving us crazy. It wasn't big enough for a family, so we went and got a new fridge. We finally gave in. So the only thing we got left is a stove and a dishwasher eventually, but these work for now. We haven't done too much in the kitchen, I don't think, remodeling wise. I've been focusing on the game room, the barn room. Let me see what's going on in here. Got our tree up. We want to cut down a tree. I don't know if you saw the curtains yet, but we got curtains up. We haven't done too much with remodeling in here. We got a bunch of Christmas totes out still. Bathroom, nothing. There's a cat. Got our Rudolph bedspread on. Merry Christmas for Christmas. Tore up the carpet in here. I think I did do this closet. Just put some paneling up, a couple bars so Michelle can hang up her clothes. Just some cheap wood paneling. It's just a closet, so we didn't go too crazy, but it's usable, it's clean. Sorry about the noise. There's my banana plant. Yeah, buddy. There's our hot tub. That's sad. Gun cabinet. Stocking up some ammo. The AR, the shotgun, Porter's 22. Got a 9mm. Burl. What else? Let's go this way. I think I tore the carpet out of the closet. We got all our games in there finally. We ended up doing the knockdown texture everywhere in the halls. All our tools and extra stuff are here. We're still in the process of painting. She got all the way to here. We need some more paint. We primed it, painted it. We're getting there. We still got to sand and redo the floors. I don't know if you're here. I got Addie's door in. Oak door from Menards. We still need to stain it. Still need to do a lot of stuff. But yeah, we just did the knockdown texture. She already painted in here. Turned out really good. Thanks to Marshall James, Marlon, for the help. We got a light in here. Need to get some different light bulbs, but this works good here. I was gonna add one, but I figured this would work. We'll shoot a light down that hall, and down the stairs. I don't think it was too bad. Put the bathroom door in, got rid of the other cheapo. I still need to do some trim here, some piecing in. I don't think we did anything else in here besides the door. Izzy's room. I don't know if it's clean. You. I don't think much has changed here. She just did some more organizing in her closets. I still gotta get the trim and doors up. What else? Addie's room. It's kind of messy. I think we're gonna leave Addie's closet open. It's kind of cool like that with the lights in there. This turned out really good. That's the other side of Porter's closet. Barn door, I still need to stain that side and put his handle on. But we're getting there. Trying to think what else we've done. There's Rosie Posey. Hi, Rosie Posey. Yeah, you got your sweater on, bub. It's cold.